Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever struggled with razors that feel like they were designed without actually considering your comfort or skin's needs? Let me introduce you to the Billie Razors for Women Shave Kit, a razor set that promises a smooth, irritation-free shave, all while adding a touch of luxury to your routine. Before we dive in, if you're loving honest beauty reviews like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified about our future videos. Let's get started. The Billie Razors for Women Shave Kit is designed to give you everything you need for a flawless shave: an ergonomic, non-slip handle, 4 5-blade razor refills, and a signature magnetic holder. The blades themselves are nickel-free and surrounded by a layer of aloe shave soap, making them ideal for sensitive skin. What's truly unique about this kit is its magnetic holder, which is both practical and stylish, keeping your razor off the shower floor and ready for your next shave. So how does it really perform? I've had the chance to test it over the past few weeks, and I can confidently say that the Billie Razor is a standout. The razor's handle feels incredibly sturdy but lightweight, providing a comfortable grip without the risk of slipping, even when wet. This is key for safety, especially when shaving in those tricky spots, like underarms or knees. The pivoting head makes it easy to navigate those contours of your body, offering a smooth glide and preventing any nicks or cuts, something I really appreciate. I use this razor in both my morning and evening routine and found that the aloe-infused shave soap on the blades is perfect for providing that extra layer of protection. My skin didn't feel dry or irritated after shaving, which can be a huge concern with some razors. In fact, I noticed that the shave was extra smooth and comfortable compared to others I've tried, and it didn't leave that post-shave tightness that many razors tend to cause. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the non-slip ergonomic handle is a game changer. It feels great in your hand, and that pivoting head allows the razor to follow your body's curves without pulling or tugging. The magnetic holder is another bonus. It keeps your razor dry and out of the shower puddle, which I never knew I needed until I tried it. Plus, the razor is dermatologist approved, which means it's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. As for the cons, while the razor performs well, I do wish the refills were a little more cost-effective. While the quality justifies the price, it's something to consider for those on a tighter budget. Also, the razor is designed with women in mind, so if you're looking for something unisex or with a more neutral aesthetic, this might not be your ideal choice. When it comes to value for money, I believe the Billie Razors kit is a solid investment for anyone who values a quality shave and doesn't mind spending a bit more for the luxury feel and performance. The handle is durable, the blades are sharp and long-lasting, and the design is thoughtful. The price point is higher than some drugstore options, but in my opinion, the ease and comfort it provides are well worth it. Now, if you're comparing this to other razors on the market, there are a few options at a lower price point, but they tend to fall short in terms of comfort and longevity. For instance, while some budget razors may offer multiple blades, they often lack the ergonomic design and skin-sensitive technology that Billie provides. In the long run, investing in something like this can help you avoid the razor burn or irritation that cheaper alternatives may cause. In terms of build quality, the Billie Razor has a sleek, premium feel without being bulky. The magnetic holder is a standout feature, practical and aesthetically pleasing. I've found that the razor itself has maintained its sharpness well, and even after several uses, I haven't experienced any dullness. So who would benefit most from the Billie Razors for Women Shave Kit? This razor is ideal for those who value a smooth, irritation-free shave, especially if you have sensitive skin. If you're tired of the disposable, uncomfortable razors that end up with nicks or leave your skin feeling dry, then this one is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. If you've already tried this razor, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it live up to your expectations, or did you have a different experience? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.